Hello, Paul again here from EMD. We just finished cleaning all the stuff on this car here, and this is what happened. You gotta start it up so you can get all the stuff from the exhaust, all the dirt and stuff like that from before. So it's all gonna come out. That's pretty normal, about 5 minutes and all that will stop. Let's have a look inside. If you look underneath the car, you can actually see the modification we've done. See that? That's a new hose we made up with 2 hose clamps. It's to stop that little bad design from factory. So that hose will last for probably 10 years before it snaps, not like the factory one. Alright, so we're just gonna let it run to warm up first, and after that I'll take it for a road test. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.